Yeah, plenty of skip there this morning. Sounds Italian. Plenty of Americans on the Super Bowl 6. Ordered a new, what do you call it? That's part of the loom anyway. Ordered a new loom because that's broken off again. So that's like the second time I've had to replace it. Lights flickering there because of whatever reason. Yeah, been a bit slack. Haven't put up any videos this last 2 weeks. Been pretty lazy, just doing jobs around the home. Yeah, not much is going on. Heading back to work for 2 weeks again. Gonna make some money to fix more shit. You wouldn't think this was chock-a-block full only a couple of months ago, but I think it needs to be dug a bit deeper down in the clay pan. Same as that other one down the bottom there. They're just fucking leaking. Yeah. Well, there's not much is going on. I think there's a fire somewhere down to the south. All the smoke's blowing through. I don't know if you can really see it or not. Yeah. Just a slack 2 weeks off. Fixed a few things. Replaced some light bulbs. Yeah. Anyway, when I come back, I'll hopefully have some bloody parts to fix this mower with and try and do that. Anyway, catch you later.